weird, that net.
They are just herding them around. No way they herd them together.
Look.
That's that is amazing.
You want to be...
Look at all the fish, Charlie.
Whoa.
If you had that net, you would be able to get so many of them. Look at them, Charlie.
They're coming. They are coming here. They'll
Daddy,
come right into this
Yeah.
corner.
Daddy,
You'll get them
fish,
right
Charlie.
up here.
Should I get a crab scoop?
All the fish.
Hang on, they're going to turn them back, or what are they going to do?
Daddy, I'm gonna get a crab scoop.
Oh my God, look.
That's amazing.
That is amazing. And look at them. They've been feeding for hours on them.
Oh, they just run through and take a chop. Look at that pool. I cannot believe that.
All the fish. Oh, hey, look, they're down here.
Look, watch this, Kerry. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, I had one.
Oh, look at them, Chuck.
Jeez.
Wow.
They'll get them back. Wait till they come back. They're going to herd them back. Oh, weird, that net.
They are just herding them around.
They're brim. Actually, they're mullet. Look at the school.
Look, they're going to get them in this corner.
Are you getting video of this?
Yeah,
That is unbelievable.
I know. No way they herd them together.
Look.
That's that is amazing.
You want to be the fishy in the middle, not on the edge.
Yeah.
That is actually nice, well
They've been
thought
feeding for hours in Gordon Ramsay. Oh, look.
Look at the stingrays.
out. He's come for a feed too.
Should I try catch the stingray?
He's just cashing in. The stingray's cashing in.
On the one
He's been following all the way. Amazing.
I want to catch a dolphin.
Oh, as soon as he comes up, they just turn. Oh,
Having so much fun, aren't they?
pretty amazing.
That is amazing.